Turn the other way. One more deep breath. Exhale. Nice and gentle. Here it goes. One more deep breath and exhale. Breathe in and out. That sounded nice. Here we go. Bring this up and back. How's that? This is the spot. When I pressed, it was really tender. It's still a little tender. So we're going to release that 5 times. We're going to bring this up all the way. Hang in there. I know that's painful. 2, 3, 2 more. 4, 4 1/4. Just kidding. That's 5. All right. Move the head around. See how it feels. Better and better. Very nice.